I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the markets. Merry Christmas to everybody on the East Coast in a little bit over an hour. Happy holidays to you guys. Been a pretty crappy year for holders. Holders got their teeth kicked in. But what I bring to you tonight is opium, where Bitcoin, you can see the chart back in 2017, the end of the bull run was the 25th of December. The bottom, close to the bottom, we'll say within $1,000 at the bottom, December 25th, 2018. The 25th of 2019, your price is a lot higher. I mean, essentially, you 2 or 3 extra money from there, right? Again, Christmas later, huge parabolic gains. Christmas later, still gains. Now, after the bear market ensued, everybody gets crushed if you hold these coins. That's why, obviously, we talk about every single day, do not hold the downtrends. Give you some realistic ideas of, hey, what we see is 1 red year, 3 green years. 1 red year, will we see 3 green years? I'm not saying, hey, moon tomorrow, but when this pattern breaks out, I am looking for macro reversal ideas, at least on the midterm scale. This is the daily Bitcoin chart. And so you're in this falling wedge. Still in this falling wedge. Bitcoin can't break above this resistance level. There's definitely an idea where you could see another run up here, or rejection. Downside ideas anywhere on this lower trend line, 14,000, for example, would be definitely if there's a bounce, like if you get a falling wedge down here, bullish divergence built between the 2 double bottoms, ideas like that we talk about all the time, the W's, right? In the bottom of a falling wedge, super high win rate as far as front running. You want to nail the bottom of this market, this is how it happens, right? I'll show you. Subscribe to the channel, I'll teach you how to do it. The bottom line is macro reversals happen on huge patterns that take forever to play out, seemingly forever. I mean, we've been going sideways for next to eternity. Seems like, again, this has been happening since the beginning of almost last month, beginning of November. Parabolic drop. Now, one important thing I want you guys to understand is the cycle of emotions, where Bitcoin starts going up and everybody's optimistic. The herd is optimistic. People get excited. I remember I was getting phone calls like, dude, how can I get in? I need to get in. I need to get in. Bitcoin's, 40,000. Then everybody's just like, dude, I've got 60,000, got to get in now. It's going to 100,000. Successful investors realize that this is an idea to take profits, right? And then things move sideways, and anxiety and denial when you bought the top. Potentially, most people buy the top. Then fear and desperation and panic, and people just give up. They sell hopelessness. They sell get me out. People sell max pain. Have we had max pain yet? I'm not sure. Will we get one more painful move to the downside? It's possible. This person, depression, sell. Hope comes back. The cycle starts over. Relief, optimism. This is part of the market cycle of emotions. It takes place on these macro market cycles that we see in this market. Listen, everything is going to change the world. Bitcoin, AI, NFTs, you've got metaverse, everything, GameFi, everything's going to change the world when it's at its highs, and it's just unbelievable and amazing project. And then it's all a scam and trash and dirt. And when it's down, it's getting killed. And I'll show you some coins. Remember, most of these coins die, right? They're only gem pick bangers until they roll over. And that's it, right? You fall in love with these coins, especially these small caps, high possibility you just get destroyed. You got to sell the top. You got to take profits. Take your money before somebody else takes it. Bitcoin, Bulls got trapped here, and we've seen a drawdown to about 16.8, and we've been going sideways since then. Good potential. We see some more sideways action. First of the year, you get your monthly, quarterly, yearly candle close. A lot of things happen on the first, so be ready. The Bitcoin CME futures chart, again, this is not open right now, and it's just been moving basically sideways in this range, right? Not a whole lot going on as far as Bitcoin goes. However, we have been nailing the bangers in the group. Super happy to see these small caps on Kucoin really don't care what Bitcoin's doing. If you're not making any money in crypto, join the group. It's simple. Look, I got some shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, I gained 4,000 new. Today is my 4th day in the group. Unbelievable. 4,000 bucks in one day. Gem pick banger. This person saved up 7 months to join the group. First month, doubled his money. Group pays for itself. It's no brainer. This person turned 13,000 into $88,000 over the course of quite a few months. But again, you want to see upside, you got to be in these small caps on Kucoin. I had so many people rejoining the group, coming back to where the money is made. We're going to continue the discount. So right now it's 60% off if you pay in crypto, and an additional $100 off to make sure you're in the best setups, period. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. If you have any questions about joining, send me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Bang. These are coins on Kucoin that are just getting delisted, just gone. Bitcoin Diamond, Alpaca, Horde, Beamon, Spell, Bake, BNT, Rep, all these coins that were, I remember they were going totally parabolic last altcoin cycle, totally 5x on a couple of these coins, totally parabolic, and throwing the towel. They sold the top and then just the team quits and they just moved on to something else. That's how this market works. Listen, if you had a bad year trading, or if you held the downtrend, look at CZ, Binance. Was worth 65 billion, now 4.5 billion. But really, I mean, after the first few million, it just doesn't even, kind of feels the same. Doesn't really matter. Sam Bankman-Fried obviously got nuked. Gary Wang from FTX Alameda, 0. Brian Armstrong from Coinbase went from 6 billion to 1.5 billion. Again, you see the Winklevoss twins from Gemini took a little bit of a 75% loss. These markets, when I say they're max pain downturns, that's for sure. These are AI or artificial intelligence projects, and these are on Binance. But I'm working on a list of Kucoin projects as well that are AI related, and I'll have that for you in the next video or two. The most important thing is eventually we'll have an AI run. We'll have a Web 3.0 run. We'll have another NFT rally. Metaverse is going to run again. GameFi will run again. You have to just identify the money flow and then get into the coins with the best setups in the right categories at the right times. And that's all you do. Identify the money flow. Nail the bangers, period. If you're sitting there searching 20 YouTube channels trying to figure out what to buy, you're going to lose. Talk about the dollar, the DXY. Look how strong the dollar was. What did the United States do? What changed the entire game for crypto? Started raising the rates. They started jacking the interest rates up 75 basis points, 75 basis points, 75 basis points, right? Then just recently 50 basis points. You have seen a dollar pullback. But if this dollar, the dollar's super strong. If you look at the crazy parabolic price action. Now, the dollar bounce here. If so, more downside in store for the markets. If this support gets lost, you see a relief rally out of Bitcoin, altcoins, stocks. I definitely want to cover this idea because this is the yearly chart. And the bottom line is we've seen since the beginning of Bitcoin, after a red year, which we've definitely had one of the reddest years possible. Historically, after a red year, and if we look at historical red years, this one was down 75%. This one was down 78%. This year is down 75%. After a red year, historically, you get a couple green years. potentially 3 green years. Now, how is this going to play out? When is this going to happen? Mid-year, next year? Will history rhyme? I'm not saying it's going to repeat, but will it rhyme? There's a point you have to, if you're watching this video right now, you already know this is it. This is the future. We're here, right? So be great. If you took some losses, just be grateful you're in this space, because after some learning, practicing, and some of this stuff, you just have to feel for yourself. Patience, pain, you just have to, the wins and the losses, you have to kind of build a mental toughness in order to conquer this market. And I'm here to help you. Thanks so much, guys. I really appreciate your support all year. We'll be doing this constantly. Green City coming sooner than later. I mean, yeah, couldn't there be some downside? Of course. But I like the 3 green year idea in store. Banging.